Hey ambitious aspirants, I am Advocate Tamanna and welcome to Anmol Mehta's Super 20 IAS. So guys, as you know कि last video में I made an announcement कि अब से हम रोज एक वीडियो करेंगे covering हिमाचल प्रदेश के current affairs. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो से. So first very important current affair is Secure Himalayas project. तो ये जो प्रोजेक्ट और ये प्रोग्राम है ये इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया है इन द हाई एल्टीट्यूड हिमालयास बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया यूएनडीपी विद सपोर्ट फ्रॉम ग्लोबल एनवायरनमेंट फैसिलिटी. तो सिक्योर हिमालयास यानी कि सिक्योरिंग लाइवलीहुड्स, कंजर्वेशन, सस्टेनेबल यूज एंड रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ हाई रेंज हिमालयन इकोसिस्टम. इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? ये इंश्योर करता है कंजर्वेशन ऑफ लोकली एंड ग्लोबली significant biodiversity, land and forest resources in high Himalayan ecosystems, जो कि spread हुए हैं over 4 states of हिमाचल प्रदेश, जम्मू, उत्तराखंड एंड सिक्किम. की कंपोनेंट्स क्या है इस प्रोजेक्ट के? इस प्रोजेक्ट का बैकग्राउंड क्या है? ये लॉन्च किया गया था क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो रहा है हैबिटेट डिग्रेडेशन में, fragmentation of area which is increasing due to high dependence of local communities on the natural resources and unplanned infrastructure वो भी बढ़ रहा है. ये प्रोजेक्ट है, ये 6 year long प्रोजेक्ट है एंड ये सिर्फ स्पेसिफिक लैंडस्केप्स के लिए ही बना है. Conservation of key biodiversity areas and their effective management to secure long-term ecosystem resilience, habitat connectivity and conservation of snow leopard and other endangered species and their habitats. ये सिक्योर करेगा सस्टेनेबल कम्युनिटी लाइवलीहुड्स एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इन हाई रेंज हिमालयन इकोसिस्टम. ये एनहांस करेगा एनफोर्समेंट, मॉनिटरिंग एंड कोऑपरेशन टू रिड्यूस वाइल्ड लाइफ क्राइम्स एंड रिलेटेड थ्रेट्स जो कि अब बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट है सिरमौर डिस्ट्रिक्ट इनोवेटिव परफॉर्मेंस. So Sirmaur district has found a place in the top 12 districts across the country for the Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration 2020 under the Innovation Journal district category for a slew of environmental protection works such as the introduction of polybricks to rid the district of plastic waste. So total 958 applications में से Sirmaur has found a berth among the top 12 districts by the screening committee of government of India. Himachal में Sirmaur is the only district to be selected in this category. तो कुछ initiatives जो इस district ने लिए थे for plastic waste management क्या क्या थे? Since there is a little scientific mechanism to dispose of plastic waste, the environmental friendly polybricks developed after compressing plastic waste into empty bottles has found varied use in constructing boundary and retaining walls, flower pots, benches, etc. in the district. Handy compressors भी बनाए गए थे to facilitate the process. In effort to get rid of the plastic waste, about 9 tons of plastic waste has been collected. कैसे? So far by running different campaigns जैसे कि एक दिन स्कूल के नाम, एक दिन पंचायत के नाम, Markanda Cleanliness Campaign under the Polythene Free Sirmaur campaign. Next is Himachal Energy Conservation Building Code. So Himachal has become the first state to notify Energy Conservation Building Code, which will result in the reduction in energy consumption demand by commercial building by 30%. So the Himachal Pradesh Energy Conservation Building Code 2018 has been notified in the state to reduce energy consumption demand in commercial buildings. और हिमाचल प्रदेश first state बन गया है in the country to achieve this milestone. This code has been formed by BEE यानी कि Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Union Ministry of Power under Energy Conservation Act 2001. And every state needs to amend and notify the code based on local climatic conditions for effective implementation on ground. With the mandatory implementation of HPE, CBC and Rules 2018, एवरी कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग जैसे कि एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट्स हो गए, शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सेस, होटल्स, हॉस्पिटल्स एंड मल्टीप्लेक्सेस एक्सेट्रा having built up area of 750 meters or more shall be granted planning permission by approval development authority only after the compliance of the provisions of this code. Next is solar rooftop program. So recently Chief Minister has launched solar rooftop program to cover all Panchayati Raj or rural development government buildings in Mandi district. So one sun one grid is a dream initiative हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी का, and the state governments will ensure that all the government buildings would have solar rooftop panels. तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट क्या टारगेट कर रही है? टू प्रोड्यूस 2 megawatt फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स and 8 megawatt from domestic consumers or society, while 1 megawatt has been produced in Mandi district alone till date. Best police station in the country. The Nadon police station in Hamirpur district has been ranked the best police station in the country and been selected as the best police station in the state. ये जो पुलिस स्टेशन है इसको अवार्ड किया गया है द सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ एक्सीलेंस बाय द यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर। पुलिस स्टेशंस कैसे रैंक किए जाते हैं? बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। The Union Minister had recently released this index during the conference of Director General of Police. Himachal Pradesh Performance in Public Affairs Index. हालांकि हिमाचल प्रदेश only state from north है to have been ranked third best in the small category in Public Affairs Index, but recently क्या हुआ है? हिमाचल प्रदेश नीचे चला गया है from the top and second position in the last 2 years, और ये काफी कंसर्न की बात है। ये जो रिपोर्ट है ये रिलीज की जाती है बाय पब्लिक अफेयर्स सेंटर, बेंगलुरु बेस्ड नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, having remained the best governed state in the small category in 2018 and second best in 2019. इस साल यानी कि 2020 में the state has led to third position. मुख्यमंत्री एक भीगा स्कीम, तो चीफ मिनिस्टर ने लॉन्च किया है द इनोवेटिव एंड एम्बिशियस स्कीम मुख्यमंत्री एक भीगा स्कीम वाया वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. It envisages strengthening the rural economy by linking the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Under this scheme क्या होगा? A woman or her family जिनके पास लैंड है up to 1 बीघा और 0.4 hectares can prepare a backyard kitchen garden to grow vegetables and fruits. ये स्कीम कवर करेगी about 1.50 lakh women through 5,000 self-help groups. Also, they will be imparted training to enhance the skills of women. Grants will be given for leveling of hilly land, channelizing water, setting up vermicompost pits, and buying plants and seeds. So under this scheme, जो भी self-help groups जिनके पास job card है, वो avail कर सकते हैं up to 1 lakh rupees. The scheme will transform the rural economies of the state and also empower women at grassroots level. So especially ये women के लिए हैं. Under the scheme, eligible women will be entitled to a grant of rupees 40,000. A grant of up to rupees 10,000 will be given for making concrete vermicompost pits. Initially, about 5,000 families will be covered in this scheme. The concerned panchayats will send them to block development officer for inclusion in the Manrega shell after receiving the proposal. Objective of this scheme क्या है? To encourage the villagers to make kitchen gardening by convergence of Manrega and Swachh Bharat mission. So I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. If you have any doubts, please comment. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Turn on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching and happy learning.